Hi everyone, this week I want to speak to you about taxi services. We're lucky to have so many great local taxi firms here in Merthyr Tudful with local drivers who know the area well. But as a passenger, do you know what to look out for to make sure the taxi you're in is operating legitimately? Residents have been raising concerns recently about being overcharged for journeys, which isn't fair but also isn't lawful. So I wanted to take this opportunity to talk you through how black cabs in Merthyr Tudful must operate. These taxis have a top route flight and can be flagged down from the road or pre-booked. Regardless if the taxi is pre-booked or not, the meter must be running for the entire journey if the journey starts and ends within the county borough. And here are some other things to look out for. Licensed taxis will have a licence plate on the rear exterior of the vehicle and a plate in the windscreen. A valid licence sticker must be displayed on the front doors. A valid driver's identity badge must be displayed in the vehicle, plus another that the driver must wear. All taxis must also have a table of fares on display. If you get into a black cab and the meter isn't switched on, or you believe you've been overcharged, please report it to the Council's Licensing Department on 01685 72 5000. Please take a note or photo of the vehicle registration number and licence sticker displayed on the vehicle so that we can investigate it properly and take action where needed. Finally, I wanted to let you know that 2 new nighttime taxi ranks are now in operation. There's one outside by the old tax office, right next door to the multi-storey car park, available between 6 p.m. and 8 a.m, and another in the lay-by outside the college near the fire station, which is available between 11 p.m. and 4 a.m. These are there to support safe travel, particularly during busy evenings. We want taxi services in Merthyr Tudful to be safe, fair and properly regulated. If something doesn't seem right, please speak up. That's all from me this week, so have a great weekend, enjoy the rugby and I'll see you all next week. Diolch.